If you're trying to decide between Instapage versus Thrive Architect for creating landing pages, you're probably wondering which one really stands out as the best. While both of these platforms offer powerful features for landing page creation, there are some key differences that might make one a better fit depending on your specific needs. Stick around because by the end of this, I'll give you a better alternative that you won't want to miss. Let's start with Instapage. One of the first things you'll notice about Instapage is its focus on ease of use. The drag and drop editor is intuitive, and it makes setting up landing pages pretty straightforward. But it's not just about ease. Instapage also has some impressive A/B testing capabilities, which allow you to test different versions of your landing page to optimize for conversions. However, this feature comes at a premium, as Instapage is one of the more expensive options on the market. Next thing to consider is integrations. Instapage supports a wide range of integrations with popular marketing tools and CRM platforms, which is great if you need to connect your landing pages to your broader marketing ecosystem. But on the downside, you may find yourself paying extra for some of these integrations depending on your plan. And while the platform does provide lots of templates, the customization options can be a bit limiting unless you go with the higher tier plans. Now, let's talk about Thrive Architect. Thrive Architect, unlike Instapage, is a WordPress plugin. So if you're already using WordPress for your website, this could be an advantage for you. Thrive Architect offers a ton of flexibility in terms of design and customization. It's got a huge library of templates, and its drag and drop editor gives you fine-grained control over every element on the page. However, it's worth noting that the interface can feel a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to website design. The fourth thing I want to mention is the pricing model. Instapage's pricing is subscription-based, which can get pretty expensive for small businesses or individuals just starting out. Thrive Architect, on the other hand, is a one-time purchase, which might be more appealing if you're looking to avoid recurring costs. But here's the catch. Thrive Architect requires you to have a WordPress site to use it, so that's something to keep in mind if you're not already on the platform. When it comes to customer support, Instapage has a solid reputation. They offer live chat, email support, and a robust knowledge base. However, if you need hands-on assistance, you'll likely have to upgrade to a higher tier plan for priority support. Thrive Architect also offers support through their knowledge base and community forums, but their direct customer support isn't as strong as Instapage. Next up, let's look at speed and performance. Instapage tends to load fairly quickly, and it's optimized for mobile use out of the box, which is a big plus considering how many visitors come from mobile devices. Thrive Architect can also produce fast-loading pages, but since it's a WordPress plugin, your site's performance is ultimately dependent on how well your WordPress hosting is optimized. So, which one is the best landing page software for you? Well, both Instapage and Thrive Architect have their strengths. Instapage is great if you want an easy-to-use, all-in-one solution with powerful A/B testing and integrations. But it's also quite pricey, and you may find yourself limited if you need more customization. Thrive Architect is an excellent option if you're a WordPress user and want a one-time payment solution with more design flexibility, but it can be a bit overwhelming and requires some WordPress knowledge. However, after trying both of these platforms myself, if you're serious about creating landing pages that convert without the high costs or complexity, I recommend checking out the free trial of the software linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you can't get anywhere else. Both Instapage and Thrive Architect are solid choices, but if you're looking for a better alternative that fits your goal of easy, high-converting landing pages, you won't want to miss what's in that first link below.